Hello guys, this is me again, Mama Journey. How are you? Here is me again. I am preparing cooking our foods. This is corned beef with vegetables I have here, and if you see this ingredients here, the corned beef, white onion and garlic. Then I have a green and red bell and boiled potatoes with garnish here also. And this is our spices. So I have to start now. And for the last, I have already cut. I have a leek here. So now I will start cooking this way. So and I put all together the garlic and the onion. Just a moment. What are you doing? Water no mitay, siko. So, so now, I'm here. Hello guys, this is me and this. And I'm here. Start cooking now. So, this is my very basic time cooking. Eating, but anyway, so it's already finished his food, his dinner. His food is chicken skewed and with white rice, carrots, then I have green bell and red bell and sweet potato, and that is for food. So and I have to add now this is okay. Just a moment please. This is a corned beef. Japanese corned beef. So anyway, I think it's more than 1 year. It's 1 year that I did not cook this. It is very I miss this to cook, so I remember to eat. And I asked me how if you like corned beef with vegetables, and she said that yes. So this is it. Very simple, and you can make this your viand or odam, match or fit or matching to bread, and also you can make this a sandwich or so topping and the plain white rice. It's very simple. And only salted a little of mix of this. And now I will add this one, and this is boiled potatoes, and also I have to add this also because I will boil very easy guys. So I need limited time if you have no time, so I have to boil. So I make it fast cooking. So it's very quick, and then I will add this. Anyway, a little mix of salt. Anyway, children like this to eat, so that's it. My husband is not allowed to eat salty because of his disease. You know, my husband will be another operation this coming April, May. So you know, my husband blood is not the same or not with us. His blood is RH, so it's very difficult. So before the operation, he needs to keep their blood, and to bank. Deposit his blood and the bank blood before the operation, so that they will use for my husband operation. So that is very difficult, you know. In 10,000 person of people are only one that have this kind of blood, the RH blood. Sometimes I making joke to my husband, are you human or alien, because your blood is very different. So she laughed only. Anyway, during his 20 years old, when an accident, she was accident. The doctor was so very worried about this because of his blood. So accident. So because the doctor is very okay. And I will add this. It's very simple and delicious. This is it. And this is our garnish. I hope you like it, guys. Very simple and no more adding. If you like it hot, just add it red chili, but I don't want to eat hot chili because my husband don't like that. And this is it. So thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. Bye bye.